んにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 99 and I'm gonna explain about the difference between 中に and までに。If you didn't watch my previous video, that was expression number 16 where I explained about 中に、12. One of the things that I explained in the previous video, it was about the period of the time. For example, 今週 and 中に。今週中に it means this week, but in the course of this week. And 今月中に in the course of this month. Sometimes we pronounce 12 instead of 中に. For example, 今日中に it means during today, in the course of today. In this case, there's the point A and point B. It means from the beginning till the end. And this period of time, so 今日中に it means any time or any time, but during today. We've got two expressions that it's very important, the time limit. For example, 来週中に。来週 it means next week. 来週中に it means during next week or in the course of next week. But also 来週までに this has got also the time limit. So what's the difference? When we say 来週中に we know when it begins Monday and when it finishes Friday or Sunday. 来週中に because this is the period of time. When we say 来週までに it means by next week. But next week is okay too. So it means by the end of the next week. No later than next week. So next week is okay. But after, no, it's not okay. If you're not sure how to use this までに and まで and までに, I've got a video, grammar number 79, so you can watch it. I'm going to put the links of these two videos in the description below. To understand the difference between these two, let's make sentences of each. At first, we'll see the vocabularies. 作文, it means essay. In Japan, the students write lots of essays. 作文. The kanji of this one, 作, but this is also つく で作ります。作ります it means to make. To make. 作 and 文. This is 文 sentences. So make sentences. This is 作文 essay. The verb 出します. This is transitive verb. It means we need を For example, something を出します。出します it means to take out something, to take out something from somewhere. So something を出します。And also this can mean to submit. Then if I say 作文を出します。作文を出します。It means I submit my essay. 来週中に作文を出してください。来週中に作文を出してください。This means in English, please submit your essay during next week or in the course of next week. This means that I can't submit today, either tomorrow. This week I cannot submit my essay even if it's finished, right? I can submit my essay from the next Monday to next Friday, only during the next week. On the other hand, now I'm gonna make a sentence using 来週までに。来週までに作文を出してください。来週までに作文を出してください。Please submit your essay no later than next week. So the nuance is different. In this case, if I want, I can submit it today or tomorrow. It's okay. I don't have to wait till the next week, right? So this is the difference between 来週中に and 来週までに。Deadline in this case is the same, the Friday of the next week. But 来週中に it begins from the next Monday. But 来週までに it begins from now on. Let's see other example. 明日中に This means during tomorrow or in the course of tomorrow. And 明日までに or 明日までに it means by tomorrow, but by the end of tomorrow. Here there's a little bit confusion with this 明日までに or 明日までに by tomorrow. Then someone think, is it okay tomorrow or it must be today? 明日までに by tomorrow. But it's okay. 明日 or 明日 it includes this tomorrow. So it means today is okay and also tomorrow, okay? But the day after tomorrow, it's not okay. Do you understand it? So 明日までに or 明日までに it means this one is okay. This is the time limit, the end of the tomorrow. Because if I want to say only today, before tomorrow, tomorrow it's not okay, then I must say 今日中に。今日中に it means during today. Please give me the answer or please reply. Well, 返事をください。返事 this kanji. This one is 返します。to get back 返します。and こと this is こと this is deed. So the deed to get back. This is 返事 reply or answer. 返事をください。Give me your reply. Give me your answer. If I add 明日中に then the meaning is going to be like this. Please answer me or please give me your answer during tomorrow. 明日中に返事をください。明日中に返事をください。If I add 明日までに or 明日までに it means please reply me before tomorrow or no later than tomorrow. 明日までに返事をください。明日までに返事をください。Other very important thing is that we cannot use this 中に This is the duration. This is a period of the time. So we cannot use before this 中に just one time, one certain time. For example, like this, 8時, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, 中に, this sounds too strange because 中に is 中, this is naka. This is the during or in the course of this period of time. So it can't be. 8時 is just this 1 second. So 8時中に it's not okay. Maybe we can say 8時に at 8 o'clock. But with までに it's okay to use this exact time. For example, 8時までに it means by 8 o'clock or no later than 8. I must go to school by 8. 8時までに学校に行かなければなりません。or 8時までに学校に行かないといけません。Now a quiz time with 3 questions. And these gonna be the translations into Japanese. 1番目 I want to buy a new house during this year or in the course of this year. 2番目 I must go to the airport by 6 a.m. or no later than 6 a.m. 3番目最後です。I must do all the homeworks in the course of today. Today we studied about this period of time and 中に or sometimes we pronounce 十に. This means from point A to point B. So this is from the beginning and from this ending. This is this duration, this period. This is 中に. In this case, The beginning point and the ending point must be very, very clear. But までに this also has got a time limit, but only the end. But before there's no limit. So from till this time, till this moment, by this point of the time. So the similar things between these 中に and までに is they've got the ending point, the ending time limit. I hope you could understand this small difference of nuance. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And you can help me a lot if you can share my videos to your friends. いかがでしたか？今日は来週中にと来週までにこれの違いを勉強しました。なんとなく似ている感じがしますが、でも意味が違います。このビデオを見て、この2つの違いが分かってくれたら嬉しいです。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタン忘れずにお願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達に紹介していただけたらとても助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。